Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Krisp AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in krisp.ai and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Krisp AI website. Now, if you have already logged into your account, then you will see the My Account option at the top right corner instead of Sign In. Go ahead and click on this, and this will now take you into your Krisp AI dashboard right away. Now, if you wish to log out from your account, just click on the drop-down menu at the top left corner alongside your username, and you will see the Sign Out button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now this will log you out from your account right away, and you will end up within the login page. If you wish to log back in, you will need to use your Google or your Microsoft account, or simply your email address. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Krisp AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.